Hey Arrows, this is Matt with Search Strategy. We've been in business since 2009. I'm one of the owners. Anyway, in this quick video, I'm going to be giving you 3 solid pieces of advice you can apply to your website right away so you can start beating out these guys, Professional Aquatic Services, for the keyword pool repair Orlando. Let me get back to where it is here. You see this search, they come up number 2 behind Yelp. So that's a good spot to be in, and they're also, I think, are they in here? No, I don't see them there. But anyway, it is a worthwhile endeavor to be in this spot. So I want to give you some education on it. If you know all these things already and just don't have the ability to apply them, I'm sorry to repeat them. But if you're not, if not, I hope that this is helpful. It's supposed to be educational in nature. I know your small business owners are always working. Don't have a lot of time for this kind of thing. If at the end, if you think this is something you'd like to talk about and want some help with, happy to have that conversation. People do that on a fairly regular basis. But either way, I just want you to be successful and to find yourself in these positions here where you can get your high margin services in there and make some money. All right. So I appreciate the opportunity to talk to you about this. And so let me go ahead and talk about it. So first and foremost, content. Google likes to see about 1,500 to 2,000 words depending on your competition and the number of keywords needed. So a keyword is anything like this: pool repair Orlando. This is a buyer intent keyword. That means that they're raising their hand. They need the service right now. So you want to be in talking about those keywords so that Google sees that and they will display your website when there is a search for those terms. All right. So the first thing I see that is problematic, and sorry, I don't mean to jump right into problems, and I love this picture, and I feel warm and friendly. It's a family site. That's all good stuff. This keyword here is or this title tag is missing a good keyword. So if it's pool repair Orlando, that should go there. You don't want to tell Google that your website's about home or blue water pool, which is your name, but you really need to tell them more. Like, where are you and what do you do? So we want to tell, give this 1,500, 2,000 words in here. You want content that makes sense for describing the different services that you have. So you can place the keywords throughout the content. So what are these keywords I'm talking about? There's quite a few of them here. I can just do it by volume here. Let's see what we got. We've got Orlando pool repair, 50. What else do we have? Pool repair companies near me, 1,300. Those work some for sure. Pool service Orlando, 210 searches a month. What else do we have? All pool Orlando, that's probably something else. Orlando pool service, 70 searches a month. Pool pump repair Orlando, 70 searches a month. That's a super great keyword because it's very easy to come up for. So all these different keywords you could be putting in there. All right, so what about the competitor? What's he got here? He has, he's got some content. He's probably got 1,000, 1,200 words in there, maybe more. And so a lot of information, you could be doing the same. You definitely want to put a lot of information or content on your page. All right, so let's look at the next thing I wanted to talk about, which are backlinks. And a backlink is anywhere that you have one website linking to another via a clickable hyperlink text or image. And the links act like an endorsement of your website from others. So Google uses this to build trust in your business by seeing others are vouching for you. And it's basically a popularity contest where the person with the most backlinks wins with, when they have more websites pointing back to them. So that's it in a nutshell. The important thing, though, to note is that you do need quality backlinks. And so they should be local and industry specific. Those kinds of websites will work best. All right, so you have 2,400 backlinks and you have 200 referring domains. That means 200 different websites are pointing back to you. And you have search traffic of 209. Oh, I'm looking at the competitor. Well, that's good to note though. All right, so going back to them, they have 209 searches a month as they got 2,400 backlinks. All right, that's Professional Aquatic Services. Blue Water Pool U, you have 104 backlinks and only 28 referring domains, and your traffic is only at 39. So you can tell that the backlinks have a huge impact on the number, the traffic that you have. So very important that you have more traffic coming to you, or more backlinks, so that you get more traffic coming to you. And the majority of your keywords that you're coming up for here are branded. They're specific to your name. People are looking for you by name. That's great that you're popular, that people search for you, but you want them to search for these kinds of things too. Pool, let's see, Professional Aquatic Services, that's their name. Pool Equipment Repair Orlando, 30 searches. Pool resurfacing, I don't know if you do that or not, but they definitely come up for Pool Repair Orlando, and they're getting some searches from that. All right, so now we know backlinks. You can actually copy their backlinks. You can go and look in this kind of tool. This is SEMrush. This is a tool I pay for. You don't necessarily have to have a paid tool. There's other ones that are out there, but you could go ahead and copy their links and get the same links coming back to your website. If it's good enough for Google, they're good enough for you. All right, and then the last thing I wanted to talk about after content and backlinks, so those will help you with your organic search. It's this part here. It's the citation, or the map pack, and you need citations. And citations is anywhere your business name, number, and address are shown exactly as per your Google business profile. So I didn't pull your profile up, but you can look at these folks. You know, they got their name, their address, and their phone number. Here, actually, we just click on them so you can see it. Come on, guys. Where are you? There you are. Okay, so they're going to have their name, their address, and their phone number. You want to have your hours up to date. Another thing, too, is you want to keep updating Google with Google Business with updated pictures on a fairly regular basis, 3 to 4 times a week. But you want to take this information and you want to put it in other places like Angie's List, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages, Expertise.com, Super Pages, any Yelp. These are all places that you can put your name, address, and phone number, and you want to get as many as these guys have. There are tools to do that. Find out how many they have, and then also get that many more. So, and there are even services that'll do it for you. So it's really important to get that squared away so that you can start to come up in the map pack. The idea is really that your brand begins to be found by Google all over the internet, and the larger your online presence is, the more Google's going to trust you. So once Google sees that you more often than the competitors, the more likely they're going to put you here. All right, so content, backlinks, and citations that come together, you start to outgrow your competitors. And what it looks like in my mind is that if you're going to get, 100, I don't know what these guys had, what they had. It went away, but you had 100, say 100 more visits per month to your website for buyer intent keywords. People saying, I need pool repair in Orlando. 100 people hitting your website, 10% of those are going to click and call or fill out a form. So that's 10 leads. Half of those will close. You're probably closing half of them, even if it's 30%. That's three new customers a month simply by getting 100 more searches to your website. That is huge, and I'm sure there's good margins in what you do. So yeah, please take this advice to start working on this. And if you want to talk to me, great. If not, it's all right, Eros. I'm glad that I can share this, and let's go make some money. All right, take care, buddy. I'll talk to you soon.